Today's daily LeetCode problem of the day is binary tree post-order traversal number 145. For this problem, we're given the root of a binary tree, and we want to return the post-order traversal of its node values. So the post-order traversal basically means we're going to look at, this is not a good example. None of these are actually good examples, typical from LeetCode. But if we're looking at 3, we're going to want to return 1, then 2, then 3. So post order basically means whatever node we're at, we're going to look at its left node, its right node, and then the node itself. So how do we do this? First, we are going to want to initialize, because we're returning a array list, we can initialize a public list of integers. We could call it result or out. It's equal to a new array list. Then in our post-order traversal function, we can simply call to a helper function that's going to recursively look through our binary tree. We could call this post, so we could call post and pass our root. We then return our out. Now to do our helper function, we'll have a private, and it's going to return nothing, so void, called post, that receives a tree node we can call temp. So this helper function has one base case. That base case is if our temp node is equal to null, we can return, because this doesn't have a value, therefore it's not a necessary node. Then for our recursive part, we are doing a post-order traversal. So we're looking at the left node, the right node, then the center node. So it's as simple as that. We're going to do post, pass temp.left, then post, pass temp.right, and then we could do our out.add temp.val. So this will look at our left node. So if we're starting at 3, we'll look at our left node. Then it will check, is it null? No. Okay, so that's going to go to its left node. There's none. It's null. Then it'll go to its right node. It's null. So then we'll add 1. We'll go back to 3 because we just checked its left. So we're back at 3. It's going to check its right node. It's not null. So then we'll check its left, null, check its right, null, and then we'll add its value 2. We'll finally go back to 3 because we just checked the right value. So we go back to 3, and then we can add that value, effectively completing our post-order traversal. So if we run this, passes our test cases, and if we submit it, passes all solutions. It's the same solution. So thank you, and follow for more daily LeetCode solutions.